Are you worried about gum disease and its impact on your oral health? You're not alone, and we're here to help. We understand the importance of providing compassionate and effective treatment options for those with gum disease. Rest assured, there are several reliable methods to shrink gum pockets and restore your gums to a healthy state. Scaling and root planing. This deep cleaning procedure removes plaque and tartar buildup from below the gum line, addressing the root cause of gum disease. By smoothing the tooth root surfaces, we make it harder for bacteria to adhere and allow your gums to reattach, reducing gum pocket depth. Laser therapy. Using state-of-the-art technology, laser therapy precisely targets infected gum tissue, preserving healthy tissue and promoting faster healing. This minimally invasive approach can help reduce gum pocket depth and improve overall gum health. Antimicrobial medications. In some cases, we may prescribe antimicrobial medications, such as mouth rinses or localized antibiotic gels, to control bacterial growth and support gum healing. Guided tissue regeneration. For more advanced gum disease, we may recommend guided tissue regeneration. This procedure involves placing a biocompatible membrane between the gum and tooth, encouraging the growth of healthy gum tissue and reducing pocket depth. Periodontal maintenance. Preventing gum disease recurrence is crucial. Regular periodontal maintenance appointments allow us to monitor your progress, clean your teeth, and address any potential issues before they worsen. Your oral health is our priority. We're committed to providing the latest, evidence-based treatments for gum disease in a caring and reassuring environment. Together, we can work towards restoring your smile and improving your gum health for years to come.